Hey everybody, how are you? Happy day before spring. Absolutely. Doesn't feel like it. My dear northern Michigan friends have had a lot of snow, so it probably feels like January or something else. But spring begins on Friday. If you're watching this, well, happy spring. One of the things that I like to do for spring in the celebration, that first day of spring, is I go to the local florist or grocery store and pick up some daffodils. This is what they look like. And this is a great memory for me. Back when I worked at North Central Michigan College, that was from 96 to 2003, there was a local florist that would come around to the college to different offices and bring us daffodils. That was Jackie Burrell. So Jackie, love you. Thank you for doing that. I carry on her mission of wishing everybody a wonderful spring every year. And I do it to this day. And actually, I'll buy the flowers tomorrow. It'll take them probably a day or two to blossom. And once those go bad, I get another bunch. And then that's it. So go out and get yourself some daffodils and celebrate spring. It's a rebirth. Just a new way of thinking, new goals, new hopes, things like that. Support your community. Support your pride centers. The people are doing great work. Support your allies. It all matters in this time that we're living in. So get out there, celebrate spring, and celebrate your community. With that said, a lot of stuff going on. I want to first say congratulations to Cats the Jellicle Ball that has just opened on Broadway in New York City. They're going through previews right now. But I have a former student, Sydney Harcourt, that plays Rum Tucker in it. Rum Tum Tucker. But he's a former student of mine from Interlochen Center for the Arts, and he's like living his best life right now. So, Sydney, I'm very happy for you. Go. It's all over the internet right now, but it's kind of a reimagining of Cats the Musical. Kind of like Runway, Pose meets Cats, something like that. So check it out, but they're going through previews right now. Had a great preview last night. I've been watching all the stuff online, so congratulations to them. That's awesome. Some other news, the Pulse nightclub, if you remember, it was a decade ago that shooting happened in Orlando. Well, the Pulse nightclub yesterday was demolished. They're making room for a memorial on the site where the old Pulse nightclub was. So it's very sad, but also looking forward to something new and a rebirth, talking about spring, of a new place. There'll be a memorial center, some kind of a pond or a reflection pool, and all sorts of things. So that will be open in Orlando at the site of the old Pulse Memorial Bar. And so I post things on the internet about that. Keep it on your sites, on your sidelines. Hard to believe it was a decade ago. I did a small film about that I show in my lecture program called 202 AM that I use in educating people about that horrific shooting and just what that whole place has gone through and the lives and everything else. So look me up. Still booking for lectures, by the way. Good segue, Greg. Thank you very much. I'm booking for lectures for spring, summer, and fall. If you want to have me come and speak, here's my URL. And here's a little flyer that I'm using, a little post thing. But I'm getting out there spreading the good word, talk about allyship and all great things that provide hope, peace, and kindness to our world, and also education. So check me out, say hello. If you know somebody that's booking right now, we need more hope than ever. So say, hey, you need to book this guy. You need to bring him to our company, corporation, or event, and I would love that. Other things, somebody asked me, are you still selling Gregor Seasoning? Some of you may not know, but I have a side business called Gregor Seasoning. I make my own spice blends and sell them. They're actually really good. No anti-caking, no chemicals in them. And here's a little picture that one of my customers has sent me, but it's gregorseasoning.com. So if you're a cook, you want some new seasoning in your life, especially for Easter, we're talking about renew now for spring, you know, the rebirth those spices in your kitchen. Yeah, look me up. And Everything that you need to see is on that website, GregorSeasoning.com, and it'll tell you how to order and if you have any questions. That is all for the day. It's beautiful out. Looking forward to the weather. Made my day today when the forecaster on TV said no snow in the forecast. Thank goodness. All right? Going to be a beautiful weekend. Celebrate spring. Get out there. Go smell the flowers. Get the daffodils up. Subscribe, like, and share. You know I love you. Be positive. Be cool. Be wonderful. Be a good human. And I will see you on Monday. Take care.